How's it going? Chuck, Sound Survival Tactics. In this video, I'm going to be doing a double kettlebell workout. Pretty excited to get to use my new kettlebells for the first time. I've previously only been working out with one kettlebell, and we ordered some in the mail recently. I actually made a video unboxing about that, or an unboxing video about that, and I'll have a link pop up over here or there where it pops up. And this workout again comes from the Chandler Marchman channel. His kettlebell workouts have been effective and have given me the results that I've been looking for, so that's why I keep going back to his channel for the kettlebell workouts. So I'm gonna go over the workout with you real quick, and then I'll get into it, and you can follow along if you like, and I'll see you afterwards. So real quick, it's 4 exercises. You're doing 3 sets and 5 reps of each exercise, and start off with the clean and front squat. Then you move on to the walking lunge thruster, followed by sumo deadlift, and finishing off with double kettlebell swing. So it's 3 sets, so I'll knock out the first 2 and you'll see me doing the last set, and I'll see you after the workout, let you know how it goes. Those lunges are killer. So forgot to mention at the beginning of the video that you want to take no longer than a 3-minute rest in between sets. A couple pointers when you're doing the cling and squat at the beginning. Make sure that you give yourself enough space for the kettlebells to fit in between your legs, or you're going to be smacking the inside of your knees. Make sure that you keep your core tight throughout all these exercises. It's real easy to mess up your back if you don't keep your core tight doing all the squatting and the lunging, and then thrusting the weight over your head. You want to make sure you got good balance, that you're pushing with your legs, lifting with your legs, not with your back. And also make sure you do a good warm-up. I do have a joint mobility warm-up video that I'll have pop up over here. You can go check that out if you like. I'll leave links below to this workout over on Chandler Marchman's channel, so you can go and look at the original workout video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button and you'll get notified of future videos as they come out. Take care, and we'll see you soon on the next one. Bye for now.